One of the first things that pleasantly surprised me about Linux was the incredible variety of distributions available. From Ubuntu and Fedora to Mint and Debian, each distro has its own set of features and interface. Tip: spend some time researching to find which flavor suits your needs best. Linux has a fantastic community of users who are incredibly supportive. Whether I had a question about installation, customization, or troubleshooting, there were always experienced users ready to help. Remember, engaging with the community can greatly enhance your Linux experience. Linux offers unmatched customization options compared to other operating systems. You can tweak just about every aspect of your user experience. Advice: embrace the customization possibilities. It can make your workflow more efficient and enjoyable. Linux is renowned for its strong focus on security and privacy. Many distributions come with powerful built-in tools that help protect your data. Takeaway: if you value privacy, Linux is a fantastic choice. Before switching, I wish I knew more about compatibility with hardware and software. While Linux compatibility has improved tremendously, some specific tools and devices might still require extra effort to work seamlessly. Tip: check compatibility lists online for your hardware before the switch. Much of the software available for Linux is open source, which means it's free to use, modify, and distribute. This philosophy not only saves you money but also supports a culture of collaboration and transparency. Point to ponder: you're contributing to a larger movement that values user freedom. Yes, there is a learning curve, but it's a valuable investment. Learning how to use Linux can enhance your understanding of how operating systems work. Motivation: see this as an opportunity to grow your tech skills. Linux generally requires fewer system resources, which means it can breathe new life into older hardware. It's incredibly efficient and fast. Insight: if you have an old laptop collecting dust, try installing Linux and see how it performs. Switching to Linux has been a rewarding journey for me. It's opened up a world of possibilities and has taught me so much about what I can achieve with my computer. The freedom, privacy, community support, and customization options are just unbeatable. If you're thinking about switching to Linux, I say go for it. Embrace the learning process.